As we enter our 60s, a sense of profound gratitude can wash over us. We've lived through decades of experiences, both joyful and challenging. Each morning, let's awaken with a heart full of thanks for the gift of life itself. This gratitude, this simple act of appreciation, sets the tone for a day of healing and growth. Remember the warmth of the sun on your skin, the laughter of loved ones, the comfort of a familiar song. These small wonders hold immense power. When we focus on the good, we invite more positivity into our lives. Gratitude becomes a beacon, guiding us towards inner peace. As we age, our bodies may show the passage of time, but our spirits can remain ever young. Embrace the lines on your face, for they tell a story of resilience, of lessons learned, and of love shared. Each day is a new opportunity to nurture our hearts and souls. Love is the lifeblood of the human spirit. It nourishes us, heals us, and gives us strength. In our 60s, our capacity for love deepens, enriched by years of experience. Let us cherish the bonds we have with family and friends, expressing our love freely and unconditionally. Extend that love beyond your inner circle. A kind word to a stranger, a helping hand to someone in need. These small acts of compassion create ripples of positivity that spread far and wide. Each interaction is an opportunity to connect, to uplift, and to remind ourselves of the beauty in humanity. Remember that everyone we meet is fighting their own battles. A smile, a listening ear, a moment of genuine connection. These are the gifts we can offer each other. These acts of kindness nourish not only the recipient, but also the giver, creating a virtuous cycle of love and compassion. Material possessions may come and go, but the true treasures in life are priceless. The laughter of a grandchild, the warmth of the sun on a winter day, the comfort of a good book. These simple joys hold the key to lasting happiness. As we navigate the second half of life, let us shift our focus from acquiring more to appreciating what we already have. Find joy in nature's embrace, in the company of loved ones, in the pursuit of passions long forgotten. The world is full of wonder, waiting to be rediscovered with fresh eyes. Let go of the need for extravagance. True fulfillment comes from within, from a heart that is content with the beauty of simplicity. Embrace the freedom that comes with letting go of material desires and discover the abundance of joy that surrounds you. Section 4. The triad of well-being, mind, body, and spirit in harmony. Self-healing is a holistic journey encompassing the mind, body, and spirit. Just as we nourish our bodies with healthy food, let us nourish our minds with positive thoughts and our spirits with love and compassion. Engage in activities that bring you joy and peace. Whether it's gardening, painting, or simply spending time in nature, these pursuits feed our soul and rejuvenate our spirit. Remember, it's never too late to learn something new, to embrace a new passion, or to simply lose yourself in the flow of creativity. Treat your body with the respect it deserves. Engage in gentle exercise. Nourish yourself with wholesome foods, and prioritize rest and relaxation. Listen to your body's wisdom, for it speaks to us in whispers, guiding us towards optimal health and well-being. Section 5. Kindness in action. A ripple effect of positivity. Words have power. They can heal or harm, uplift or destroy. Choose your words with care, speaking kindness into existence. A compliment, a word of encouragement, a heartfelt thank you. These simple gestures can brighten someone's day and create a ripple effect of positivity. Forgive yourself and others for past mistakes. Holding on to anger and resentment, only harms us in the long run. Release the past with love and embrace the present moment with open arms. Forgiveness is a gift we give ourselves, freeing us to live with greater peace and joy. Remember that every day is a new opportunity to make a difference in the world. Share your wisdom, your love, and your light with others. Embrace each moment with gratitude and live each day to its fullest. You have the power to create a more beautiful and compassionate world. One kind word, one loving gesture at a time.